Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact Bootstrap release you need. Download the compiled CSS and JS so you control updates. Once downloaded, create clear folders like /assets/CSS and /assets/JS, then move Bootstrap. Min, CSS and Bootstrap. Min, JS into them. Make sure to include Popper or bundled JS if your components require it. This immediate local setup avoids CDN dependencies and gives you offline access, predictable load times, and easier caching control for deployments. You now wire Bootstrap into your HTML. In the head, add a link to /assets/CSS/Bootstrap. Min, CSS before your custom style sheet so your rules can override default styles. Then, before the closing body tag, include /assets/JS/Bootstrap. Min, JS and any Popper script. The order matters for proper behavior. If CSS references fonts or images via relative paths, adjust them to match your asset layout. Doing this ensures components render and interactivity works without relying on external networks. You finish by testing thoroughly on a local server. Open DevTools and watch for 404s or JavaScript errors and fix any broken paths immediately. Make sure responsive classes behave and interactive components like modals or dropdowns operate. If not, double-check file versions and script inclusion order. Once done, clear browser cache to avoid stale files, and consider a single bundled CSS/JS for deployment. If something still breaks, revert to known working versions and compare differences to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.